Hello everyone, this is part of a problem-solving series that would help you prepare for math competitions such as the AMC 10 and 12, the AIME, and other contests and tournaments in the advanced middle school and high school level. In this session, we will be solving a combinatorics problem from the ARML competition. Here is a view of the problem. So let's go ahead and highlight some key givens in the problem. One face of a 2 by 2 by 2 cube is painted. Let's go ahead and try to create such a cube. So we have a 2 by 2 by 2 cube, and that cube is apparently painted on one face only. Let's assume it is this face which was painted, the frontal face. And the cube is then cut into 8 1 by 1 by 1 cubes. So let's go ahead and show those cubes. So those cubes would look like this. So there you are. You have 8 little 1 by 1 by 1 cubes, and it's not too hard to visualize that of those 8 cubes, the 4 in the front, they have one face painted, and the 4 in the back, and namely this one, this one, this one, and this one. Sorry for that. Those two are the same. And then there's one invisible at the back. So those 4 are not painted at all. And then we are told that these 8 pieces are somehow shuffled and reassembled to make a new 2 by 2 by 2 cube. And we are to compute the probability that no paint is showing in the new picture. Well, our first observation is those 4 cubes which are at the back face, they are totally irrelevant. They have nothing to contribute to the solution. So as such, they can be ignored because they have no paint on them. So the part that is kind of relevant for us is the 4 cubes in the frontal, like those 4 cubes that have one face painted. So those little cubes here that have only a single face painted, so those are the ones that we will have to kind of consider. So whenever we put one of these cubes into this 2 by 2 by 2 shape, it turns out that the position of this painted face can be one of the two cases. We have apparently 3 hidden faces, and then 3 faces which will be exposed to the outside. For instance, in this, if you consider this spot here, you can easily see that this little cube has 1, 2, 3 faces exposed in the outside, and then 3 faces hidden. So the chances that our painted face will hit one of those hidden places will be 3 out of 6, or you can say 1/2. So there's only a 1/2 chance that this cube will have no paint showing, and no paint showing to the outside. But in a similar way, you can replicate this. You would have a similar thing going on with your other 3 one-face painted cubes. So they each have a 1/2 chance that their paint will show, and 1/2 chance that their paint will be hidden after the reassembly. So therefore, the answer to the question, so for the probability that no paint shows, is basically equal to 1/2 for the first 1 by 1 by 1 cube to show no face painting, and then 1/2 for the second cube, 1/2 for the third one, and finally 1/2 for the last one as well. As a result, the desired probability would be 1/16. So after those 8 cubes are reassembled into a 2 by 2 by 2 cube, the chances that no painted face is showing up is only 1/16. And that solves our problem. And see you all in our next session.